Our mission: millions of children lack access to quality education. We're dedicated to improving children's literacy by donating libraries to unfunded schools and orphanages. Let's meet our team. The Library Project has an amazing team of full-time staff that timelessly strive to improve education one book at a time. Our highly dedicated teams, located in Cambodia, China, and Vietnam, work together to create an organization that positively impacts the lives of unprivileged children. 100% of our program teams are locals. For this reason, they understand the challenges that each country holds and are able to provide hundreds of libraries to rural communities annually. Through your donation and others, we could build beautiful libraries to improve children's literacy, start children's literacy programs to get children excited, better librarian training, and fill rural elementary schools in Vietnam and China with books to aid literacy. For more information and to donate, go to www.libraryproject.org.